Okay, guys, I'm back. I opened my gifts, and I'm gonna be giving out everything that I got. Except I'm really happy because I got this hot cocoa machine. I don't know if it's beta or not, but I really like it. And thank you anyone who sent to me. Thank you if you're the one who sent it to me. I think I sent you the red one, and you gave me that back. I remember. Okay, so you sending more gifts out? Happy, thanks. Yeah, I'm still with the talkative girl, the one who screams a lot. She likes to
Hey,
scream.
I don't scream at all.
And she's always like, I like to scream, I want to scream and shout and let it all out. Just kidding.
If you have 3 radio... oh my god. Dude, do you have 3 radioactive cookies?
I don't know what that is.
I don't know, I looked up, it's a hot cocoa machine on Animal Jam Beta. And then one of the things are, if you have 3 radioactive cookies, Alpha, Beta, Grandma, what will you eat?
Decline? Oh my god! Why? Why did you decline that? I thought it was a pretty good
Oh my
trade.
god. Dude.
Yeah?
A hot cocoa machine is worth a rare claw, a rare headdress, a rare rhino helmet, and non-member sword.
Together or just one of those things?
One cocoa machine is worth all of those.
Whoa, you're lying.
No, I swear, I looked it up.
They probably lied or something.
It was a monthly member gift.
I want to trade someone. Oh, do I still have those? Tell me freedom mask. Oh crap! I don't have that freedom mask anymore.
It says that it's worth a rare claw, rare headdress, rare rhino. I never saw a rhino helmet.
Huh?
I never saw a rhino helmet.
I did. You had to see it before. You probably did.
I probably did, but I don't remember.
It's like that. It's on Best Dressed a lot. But I don't think the rhino helmet's in stores. Okay.
Right back.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, maybe it wasn't there. I don't know. Thanksgiving, everyone. I don't even remember who I sent the red one to. Thanksgiving. Should I give out smaller prizes? Because I gave out a couple Thanksgiving. I was like, did I spell something wrong? No, I'm sorry. I'll never be alone. Oh my god. I want to accept. But at the same time, my pink one. So, not right now, I'm sorry. I'm not gonna trade during the video. I'll feel bad. I don't know why. It's that weird, you know? Ooh, a heart locket, I'll guess. I guess. Happy Thanksgiving. I wish I had more ones. Just give me more out. I was trying to get one today. Like, I'm not even kidding. A book's beta, I'm not sure. I don't know what to give out. So hard. These things are so hard. Like, you just don't know what to give out anymore. Like, think I'm almost done with the video. I don't really know what to give out anymore. I give it a couple of these already, Freedom Hats. Oh my god, that scared me! Who for you? Oh, what else should I give out? These. Oh, I don't feel like switching friggin', you know.
Can you please send me?
I'll send you it last. I promise. I promise I'll send you something. I'll send you 2 gifts.
Who?
If you wait and shut up. And stop bugging me about it. Oh, I still want to send some stuff to my friends. This is the last person I'm gifting, I guess. Happy thing. Gifting. Here. I'm sending Christmas Santa hats out for Thanksgiving.
Oh my god.
I was like, oh my god, no one's on. Happy Thanksgiving.
Are you only gonna do the people that are on?
Yeah. And player 1, cause he's my friend.
Who?
Player 1 on. Evan Reed. Make sure I don't player 1 on.
What was that one
Huh?
that you got that giraffe with wings from?
Oh, I don't know.
I'm gonna look through our things and see, because I remember you texted me it.
Okay. Texted you or chatted you it?
Texted me it. Wait a minute.
Please tell me I have another. I think I have another one. I'm not sure though. What was the other person I was supposed to send it to? Player 1 on in? Reed. 1. I don't know how to spell the name. Where is it? A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P. Wait. J K L M N O P Q R. Oh, I was so off.
Wait a minute.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Hey dude.
What?
BRB.
Okay. Wait, do I have anything else? Yeah, I'm almost done. Oh, I don't really know him. Happy Thanksgiving. Isn't the horses only party, I think? Yeah, I'm like officially done now. I'll send Happy Thanksgiving janograms till 10 minutes. Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving.
Guess who's back?
Not you. I'm still recording, FYI. So don't say something stupid, like always. you say stupid things no matter what. I'm done gifting, except for you. I'm gonna gift you last. I'm gonna gift you 2 things. Don't look at it till I tell you. Look at it.
Oh my god, I'm awkwardly dancing in the Soul Arcade.
Huh?
I was just awkwardly dancing in the Soul Arcade.
Thanksgiving. going? Oh, it's been over 10 minutes, but I'm almost done. Just, yeah, you know.
August 7th.
Are you gonna give people?
August 15th.
I wonder if all these people actually celebrate Thanksgiving. We obviously don't. Well, I'll just skip these people later. I mean, I'll just jamagram these people later. Don't look at the things until you know. I tell you to. The one thing I'm gonna send you isn't gonna be that good. The other one, you're gonna like it.
Hopefully.
Oh, but you will like it. Wait, can you mute my mic for a second? Guys, I'm a gift her the slingshot she kept trading for me for, but that's like the okay present. And then I'm gonna gift her one more thing.
Okay, I'm waiting for number 2 though.
Don't look at it until I tell you, okay?
I know.
And now I'm gonna gift her.
Where's necklace? Not that. No,
I'm gonna
thank
gift
you.
her the thing she really
You
wanted.
villain that keeps.
She really wanted these pink
Here.
lights.
How
She
about?
really wanted them. She kept trading me over and over again for them. It was really funny. And I'm like, no. I can't find them now. Oh my god. I really like them, but...
Are you gonna send me it? I'm just waiting.
Crap. I can't find it. Oh my god, I can't find it. Did I trade it away? I think I traded it away.
Oh my god.
I'm just kidding. I have it. I didn't trade it away, but I can't find it in my inventory right now. I can't wait to see your reaction.
I'm just waiting.
Wait, I'm gonna write you a message. Go along with it. Oh my god, it's freezing. It's so slow.
14,206 gems. That scared me at first. Did you send me it yet?
Wait. Oh my god, it froze.
Oh my god.
Sorry, I had to pause the thing because it wasn't going. I sent it. Wait, did you get it?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, wait a minute. I'm gonna do Happy Thanksgiving first. Thank you, I love that sling set. It's so sweet. I wanted that one. Oh my god, I love you. Okay, I think I have a buddy like you.
You finally got the lights.
I know.
Don't you love me so much?
I thought you were gonna send me like a bow and arrow or a wand, but you know that's okay too.
Okay, well, bye guys. Wait, I have to turn into my little koala and become... What are you doing? You sound... Are you okay?
What?
You okay?
I think I might start to cry.
Why?
Because nobody ever has candy cane lights. I will like die if they come back to the store.
Okay, bye guys!